Walking into the pirate ship and Jodie's behind me. I'm scared. What's gonna happen? Here we go.
Welcome to Queen Anne's Revenge.
Hello.
This is my pirate ship.
Hello. How long you been here for? Hello. It's not answering me.
I'm touching a human limb! Huh?
Welcome to the captain's cabin. We got the treasure. We got the grog. And now we got the wenches. There's nothing more I need.
See them.
And we're cute too!
They're good.
Take your time, no rush. Hi, matey, how are ya?
Now, it looks like we come outside and we're in a dense rainforest. What are we gonna do? I hear a noise behind me. What? Oh, oh, it's a leopard! Ooh! Run away! It's a vulture. Oh, look. We've got tribesmen picking up some of that good old feet. You like to eat feet? What's your name? Andre. He's an islander. He's a local. It's pretty sweet. Yeah, it goes on for quite a while. Look at that. Check it out. Down through the caverns. Pretty cool. People are in character. That's awesome. It's an empty chair. Come out. The treasure. Check out the treasure chest. Alright, that was pretty amazing. That was on the front yard of a guy's house here in San Jose. Fantastic. Took 'em months to build that thing, and it's pretty amazing. Hope you enjoyed that. That's the way we do Halloween here in America. Peace.